If you're tired of seeing loads of videos about how easy it is to set up these agentic AI tools like Claude Code, OpenClaw, all of that, I keep seeing all of these videos saying this is the most basic training ever. And then they're never basic. They go into the terminal, they do all these crazy API key type things. Well, today, legit, this is the easiest, most powerful agentic AI tool out there. Here is what it is. I'm going to walk you through the whole entire thing. It is Perplexity's new computer. And while it doesn't actually do things on your computer like Claude Cowork or Claude Code, which I'm obsessed with, it does go into the internet in the browser and do multiple things at once. Your mind is about to be blown. Big shout out to the amazing Austin Armstrong who showed this to me, and I have been freaking out since yesterday, so I have to show it to you. My name is Mahoney if we've never met before, and you need to sit yourself down and watch this video because it's going to blow your mind. Okay, watch. It's this Perplexity Computer. Austin and I had a call yesterday and he showed it to me, and I am legit mind blown. I know I keep saying that, but I really am. So watch. This is just what I did yesterday. So I am going to find the one that was the craziest. Okay, so one example, I've tried for a while to get AI tools to pull all past podcast episodes of mine. The way that this works, it has multiple agents running tasks in parallel so that it gets the job done more quickly. And this, let me see, watch. If I go, that was the PDF version. Let me just show you the real crazy thing. Here we go. So it just did a much better job of researching all the podcasts I'd been on, like much better. Claude Code was like not Claude Code. OpenClaw was horrible at it. So that here. So then here you can go like this. And when you export it, you can export it into Google Drive as well. Just straight into Google Sheets, which I love. And look, it's all pretty and branded and beautiful. I think there are more than 30 that I've done, but good start. And it did the host name, the podcast title, the podcast main page, the episode title, the link to the episode, the host website, the host YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. That's what I asked for. But like way better than anything else I've ever done with this. Okay, here is the one that is the craziest. So I added it. This is not the craziest. This is just another one that's good. I added it into Slack, and now it can go and send me messages telling me what I need to do. So it goes through, it mentions me in Slack. It sends me a message. It's going to send me one every day at 4 p.m., which I am super stoked about. I was surprised that Claude Cowork can't do recurring tasks like that, but supposedly Perplexity can. Look, it's going to run in 9 hours and 31 minutes. Amazing. Look, cron tracking, like it's going to do it. Super dope. When I checked my Slack DMs, what it sent me was so wildly detailed with a link to every single thing that someone wrote me in Slack. Okay, here's the other one. This is actually a prompt that Austin gave me. I had it go through. No, that was not the right one. Hold on. Where is it? Maybe it was this very first one I did. Okay, so I had it go through and review my brand information and then find all of these like quote unquote competitors on YouTube. But it gave me a full report. I had a bunch of different ones. This is what it is. Okay. It gave me this full report, 28 pages. Not only did it research their YouTube videos, but also gave me YouTube titles. And then it created the freaking thumbnails with my face. So it did this huge thing. These are their actual thumbnails, I think. Then look, it made me thumbnails. Austin showed me this prompt, which is cuckoo. Chew. I'm sorry. what is actually happening. And these things can all just run at the same time. So the only downside is that it's only available on the max plan, which is $200 a month. But still, I am really freaking out about how much can be done with this. And the best part is there's no download. Like, I mean, it just works in the browser and it works instantly. So props to Austin Armstrong for showing me this. Cannot believe how wild it is.